What is JSX? JSX stands for JavaScript XML. It is a syntax extension for JavaScript that allows developers to write HTML-like code inside a JavaScript file. It was developed by Meta, formerly Facebook, and forms the basis of React development. The syntax of JSX resembles HTML, with opening and closing tags, attributes, and nested elements. Here are some key points about JSX. It allows creation of document object model (DOM) trees using an XML-like syntax. It makes the development process easier as the code becomes easy to write and read. JSX converts HTML tags into React elements. It is faster than normal JavaScript as it performs optimizations while translating to regular JavaScript. JSX allows us to write expressions inside curly braces backquote. The expression can be a React variable, or property, or any other valid JavaScript expression. JSX follows XML rules, and therefore HTML elements must be properly closed. Here's a sample JSX code. Const ale equals this is sample JSX. This code creates an element in React that gets rendered in the UI. It is transformed into JavaScript functions by the compiler at runtime.